All right, so we are in Temecula today. We're in the Meadowview community, right in the center of Temecula. We're doing a fun little project. We are adding lighting on a new pergola. So here it is. This little pergola seating area was installed with the pool. And what they want is they want some lighting on the front of the columns on the other side, facing down. So we are going to add some downlights onto the landscape lighting. The transformer is right here, the controls. We're gonna run it up this rain gutter, the wire. Remember, this wire is direct burial. It's waterproof, it's dirt proof, so it can definitely go in a rain gutter. It's gonna go up onto the top and then across, and then we're gonna drill holes down the top of the pillars to attach the light fixtures so that you won't see any wire, and it's gonna look real clean. So I'm taking you along for the process. Thanks for tuning in, and I'm sure it's gonna look beautiful when it's done. Okay, I'm about halfway through the process. I've got 2 lights in. I'll show you what they look like. It looks pretty good to me. This one's, I don't have a bulb in it yet, but you can see that look, right? No wires, looks clean. I like the brown with the whatever green, blue that is, but you see. So right here, I'm moving down, taking the wire behind this little fascia board. It's all aluminum, so it goes in pretty easily. And then we're gonna bring it up to this next one, and this will be our last post right there. So there you go. Looks great, I love it. Okay, this is the finished product. So we would call this a downlight, or some people call it moonlighting. Check that out, doesn't that look good? Actually, I'm a big fan of the brown on the teal. I didn't think it would look as good. I was kind of leaning towards doing black fixtures, but I actually think this looks a lot better, personally. So, what kind of bulbs did we put in here? Well, they're 4 watt. So they're kind of middle of the road. They're not super strong, not super dim. But a couple of things I would say, if you're doing something like this, whether you're a homeowner or a landscaper, measure twice and cut once, and especially with this aluminum, because you don't want to drill into this and make a hole where it shouldn't be, and then you're going to see it all the time, and that's going to really bug you. So make sure you measure everything, even 3 times if you have to, and conceal the wiring. Don't ever leave wire showing, because that will, even if it's just a little bit, that will really minimize the professionalism of your project. So anyways, we're wrapping it up here in Temecula. It's a warm day, happy to be done a little early. So thanks for watching this. And if you're doing pergola or patio cover lighting like this, down lighting, low voltage lighting, this is the way it should look. It should look good, should look clean, and see no wires. Thanks for checking in.